stuff now.
Edward at the Steamworks.
Thomas left Edward at the.
His head's in your way. You can't see the movie, huh? Try to move his hand. You all have to do like this for it to see the movie.
What's the matter? My firebox is faulty.
Can't see the movie with my arms.
No, huh? You need a hole in it.
Don't worry, Stanley. I'll shunt you to the Steamworks. Victor's sure to fix you in time for the party.
You're making it hard on
You just
Jerry.
have to listen up for a second while he cuts.
Laughing my funnel. I cannot fix you all by tea time. Percy, Edward, and Stanley.
See, I have a red cape and I have one that has penguins on surfboards.
Oh,
Oh,
really?
cute.
So I tell him, you're Superman?
Yeah.
Suddenly,
Yeah. You're Batman today, huh? Yeah.
Oh.
Party here to my friends. I won't tell Victor.
He likes his
Wow,
He
he's
does look in the mirror and smiling.
You
You,
look great, that's why.
you're handsome. Look at your face.
Yeah, he looks, boy, he sure changed now.
Yeah, sure did.
Thomas's boiler.
He can't believe it himself. Smiling at his own self. Look at that. Oh.
Yeah, profile shot.
Who's that?
Ready?